put Adam to sleep. Neighbor, pay attention, please. He put Adam to sleep and took a rib out of him. And he made what's called a woman. Now, I'm pretty sure we all know the difference between a man and a woman. Obviously, longer hair, feministical, periods,
Feministical?
breasts, and all that. So, God said, all right, Adam, I'll give you a woman, and you're going to fall in love with her. And they fell in love. And so, what birds and the bees
I thought
is,
Adam was really clean.
I think the birds is a girl, and the bees is a guy. And so the guy has what we call a stinger, because it's a bee on my and the stinger goes into the bird's pecker, and something happens.
Oh, God.
Something happens, and then babies come out of the pecker. And that's birds and bees. Now, that'd be a lesson for 6-year-olds, so I'm going to explain to the adult.
Oh, Jesus.
You get a girl, gentlemen, you get a girl, and things happen, it gets hot, it's sweaty, things go down.
It's probably the best creative rating class.
Eventually,
Learn more from him than
your
Leo.
fluids enter her.
Oh.
Those
Seminal fluids.
swim, and I call them little jimmies. Little jimmies find little Susies, and they do a little kissing and stuff.
should have won the When I
and
Play
9 months later,
contest.
a big shimmy.
Oh my God. We should have David go up on stage and tell us the birds and the bees speech again for the play.
Okay, I don't know.
Are you gonna put that on YouTube?
You're all gonna have to
Maybe.
figure out how you tell your kids this one today, so you better figure it out now.
I don't think my parents ever told me. I couldn't.
No,
I
never
never
had-
I never had the talk.
No.
I'm actually gonna tell my kid when he's like 7 years old, just like.
I'm gonna tell my kid when he's like 2.
Think about it,
Yeah.
if you're a little boy at 7 years old, you don't give a freak about, girls and stuff. It's all about buddies and toys and stuff. So he'll be like, alright, he'll probably be like, ew, that's nasty. Relax. But in 10 years, he's saying, ew, it's nasty.
And then they become published.
He's like, I want that nasty.
Any questions about birds and bees?
No questions.
How's the substitute doing? I feel
Remember,
like I
Mr.
feel bad.
Mr.
She's trapped.